So here is Desire AI app. This is a new trending app. This a new chatbot, AI chatbot, built probably by solo developer, but it's getting quite high in the charts. As you can see, never feel lonely again. Beautiful girls will always follow you. Step into the world's first dynamic AI social simulation where every profile comes alive with its own secrets, desires, and hidden agendas. This is not just another social platform, it's a living, breathing digital world where your interactions shape, unfold in mysterious and dramatic narratives. Immerse yourself in gripping real-time stories, investigate the sudden disappearance of a billionaire from his luxury penthouse, explore units, so all kinds of role-play stories. You can also meet in various virtual places. You can get social, and here you can just open it up, and then this is like how it looks like. Then you can just go and chat with different profiles. You can see how the chat looks like. You can see the number of hearts, but then eventually to use this app properly you just need to upgrade. So that's basically the idea, to enjoy premium access, and then you can cancel anytime. There is 40,000 plus photos, over 800 characters, more personalized messages, and censored chat. And this is what you can get. Then there are chats. Then there is some daily reward which you can claim. Then there are all these like virtual places which you can get, and then yeah, you can just go to this place. You can just post something in there. I don't know, like this is kind of like a community in there, and then you can just participate in there, make friends. So a lot of this AI profile, and then there are likes, kind of like a Tinder swiping. But then if you want to chat properly, then you need to basically I think you still can chat, but to access all these additional features you need to upgrade. But there you have it.